How to become a full stack design, a full stack Python developer, right? I need to have the knowledge about Python, the frameworks of Django, framework of Python like Django, and also you need. I said if to become a full stack developer, you need to have the knowledge about all like back end and front end. What? Okay, just I was briefing you about that in the last class. What are the what do you mean by front end and back end? And what are the front-end technologies that you need to know? Front-end technologies that you need to have idea, right? Yes, try to respond everyone. Yes, unmute yourself. I want the sessions to be interactive from today. Yes. What are the front-end technologies? Is my voice audible to all? Is my voice clear and audible to all? Hello.
Yes, sir. Your
Yes, sir.
voice. Yes, sir.
What are the front-end technologies?
HTML, CSS.
Yes, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, this thing. And what are the backend technologies like that? Respond.
Python, Django.
Yeah, Python, you need to have knowledge about this language like Python, framework like Django framework, and database like Oracle or MySQL, or even
Yes.
SQLite 3 is the database given by this Python, that is Django. Yes. So just I was showing you, okay, steps in applications creation, right? Creating and activating virtual environment, creating or starting a project, Django-admin. Okay, these steps one by one we'll discuss. Now, so, in today's class, just I'll show you on basic, a small application. So already I said Django has got very less code as compared with other programming languages, web development, right? Using Django with very less, you will, okay. For example, right? I will develop an application. Right? So using PyCharm, later I'll show you about PyCharm. Okay. For example, PyCharm. I'm opening PyCharm, right? PyCharm is opening. Later I discuss about PyCharm installation and working with it. But just to demonstrate what are the things which gets created. Actually, we no need to perform anything. Automatically, everything gets created here. PyCharm is more flexible than VS Code. But PyCharm, if you want to develop applications, it is a licensed one, right? So here I'll say new project. Just listen. Later I'll show you the downloading and installation process. New project. If we say, okay, new project. You say, okay. 1 second. Before that, okay, okay. Whenever you say new project, whether you want a Python or Django or Flask, which project you want? Django project you want or Flask project you want? Or you want to work with any of this? I want to work with Django. Django project 1. Django project 1. I'm giving the name for that project name. Django project 1. By default, if Python is already installed in your system, if Python is already available in your system, It will take the location from where, so this base interpreter, it will take the Python, yeah, Python path. You want to work with which Python version, right? That version, I have got all the versions available. 3.8, 3.9, 3.10, 3.12, 3.13. If they ask you to work with the 3.11, just you can click on this. All versions of Python is installed. Whichever version you want to, you can just select it. Next, in the more settings, right? This is application name I'm giving as demo application, right? Demo application. Just at the bottom, create option is there. If we say create, automatically your project folder, your application folder, your project folder will be created, your application folder will be created. All that py files around 12 .py files will be created, right? Like around creating virtual environment means Python, one more copy of Python will be created, updating Python interpreter, another copy of Python will be created here, ensuring Django is installed, right? Yeah, automatically it will install Django. Automatically it creates a Python environment. Automatically the project and what all the files, .py files required for your project. How many files required, all the files will create, even for your application, what all the .py files required, everything will be created. Is installing Django? Yes.
Meanwhile, sir, can you like repeat like where we need to create this project?
What is that?
Where we need to create the project and how we need to create the project.
One second. So, okay, first try to understand. I'll come back to your query. So here, can you see Django project? Django project. This is your Django project name. And in your project, again, can you see one more project folder? You will see application folder. Can you see? This is your main project folder, Django project 1. And within that, can you see 2 folders are available? Hello?
Yes.
3 folders are, everyone try to give a responses. I want the sessions to be more interactive. If you give response
Yes,
only, the session goes
yes,
more actively, right? Whether your answers
yes,
are
sir.
correct or wrong, not a problem. So here, how many folders are you able to see in this? How
3.
many folders? 3 folders.
3.
One is application folder, one is project folder, one is environment folder. Environment means Python environment. Python, one more copy of Python will be created. Where it has taken this environment from is from your local system. Already Python is installed in your local machine. From there, it has taken this environment. This environment folder. These two are, one is a project folder, one is application folder. Once you open project folder, all the .py files, init.py, settings.py, urls.py, ws.py, right? All the .py files. How many .py files are there? Respond.
5.
5
5.
.py files are
5.
automatically they got created. For example, settings.py is there. Settings.py. In that I didn't already it got created. Whatever all your project settings, everything, right? Okay, here just if you scroll down, you can see all that dot you need to. For example, I want to connect with Oracle. I want to connect with MySQL, any database. See, by default, our default Python Django has got its own database called SQLite 3. What is the name of the database?
SQLite.
SQLite 3.
What is this SQLite 3? It is a database given by
Yes.
Python. It has got its own database like SQLite 3. So just it is working with it. But if you want to connect with Oracle, how simple connecting with Oracle here? Just to remove that SQLite 3 and give Oracle. Just give Oracle. That's it. Now Python connected with this. We are connection with the Oracle has been established. Now give the username. You just give the username here and just provide the password. Username of Oracle and the password of Oracle. Or MySQL, whichever, if you are using MySQL, give here MySQL and the name. If you want to give MySQL here or Oracle or MySQL, you give name and the password. Internally, you will be creating one
Is it
database.
case sensitive, sir?
Yes, case sensitive. Python is case sensitive. All these are .py file, right?
Yes.
Some username and password. Here comma has to be kept. That's it. Now MySQL will be connected. Now you can perform import or export operations from MySQL to here and that. No need to have any other like Java. We need to have a lot of drivers knowledge, all those things. But here very simple, connecting with the database, giving the username and password, it will be connected. In this way, any other settings also, what all the settings related, database settings or any other settings in settings.py. We won't write, we will make necessary changes accordingly, right? Yes. We will make, okay. Now urls.py for any for any web application will have a URL. Gmail.com, Facebook.com, for all that URLs or what all the URLs you want to specify in the urls.py, you will specify. The same way, these are the .py files which got created, and I'm minimizing it. I'm just folding, and again, if you go to the application folder, you check with the application folder, right? Admin.py for admin related, apps.py, models.py for any database table if you want to create, views.py where you write the business logic. This everything we will be discussing one by one in our course. This .py files are created automatically or not? See, whenever we create, when we are very simple, just I given the project name, just I given the application name, and I said create. Automatically everything gets created. I didn't do anything. I even didn't install DJANGO. Automatically, DJANGO also got installed automatically. Python also it has taken automatically from my local system. And all the .py files required. And what all that required, everything got created. Okay. So this is what in this PyCharm, it's more flexible. It is more flexible. PyCharm is more flexible than the other IDEs for developing web applications, right? So you will be getting Django support. See, say Django. Everyone say Django. D will be silent. See here, Django is there, right? Yes.
Django.
Just
Yeah.
pronounce
Django.
as Django. D will be silent.
Sir,
Anytime
okay.
people generally say Django, like say just say Django. D will be silent. Okay, and here
Okay, sir.
understood, right? Later I discuss about this PyCharm. So, and what we'll do is for PyCharm, it is licensed. PyCharm is licensed. So what we'll do, first we'll work with VS Code. First we'll go with the complex things. Next we'll go with easy things. Don't get habituated with the easy things initially. First we'll go with complex the things. Next we'll go with the things. Because this PyCharm is easier, we'll come back to this later. And also you can, what all you did in VS Code, again, you can repeat in this PyCharm. About this PyCharm, I will demonstrate it later. So if you want to close it, file, close project will be there. Close this project, come out of this now. Fine. So if you want to open any of your previous project, click on this project and say open here. Open option is there. All these are the project list. Any project if you want to open, just click it and say open. If you want to create a new project. Okay, okay, that's fine. Now let us do step by step, and we will do all these things right in VS Code. Now I said everyone to download VS Code. Everyone done with that process?
Yes, sir.
Everyone try to say in
Yes,
the
sir.
chat.
Yes,
Say yes,
yes.
sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Not
It's downloaded.
just type in the chat everyone saying yes or no fast. Python has got many IDs. Among all that, Django is the powerful IDE among all. Django is the powerful IDE among all, right? Now, if anyone still, if you're not done, right? If anyone still not done with the installation of VS Code, because here, okay, what is that? Code.visualstudio.com. Code.visualstudio.com. Here, download for Windows, you will get it. Click for downloads for Windows and install it. Normal installation. Say next, next, next. Say next, next, next. Okay. So let us do this. We'll develop a small web application today. So you'll be understanding step by step what we are going to perform. How to, here I'll be showing you step by step. In this VS Code, everything we should do by ourselves, not like PyCharm. How to install Django? It's just a 1 minute, not even 1 minute, 10 seconds it takes to install Django. Fine. So just I'm writing the steps here. Downloading and installing VS Code IDE. VS Code. VS Code IDE. See this Jupyter notebook. These things are mostly used for data analysis for big data environment. For big data environment, data science or data engineering environment. For typical web applications, right? You can use VS Code IDE and PyCharm IDE, right? Now, what is that? Go to the site. Which site you need to go for downloading the right? What is the site? Code.visualstudio.com. Code.visualstudio.com. Download and install, right? Normal installation only. Say next, next, next. A shortcut on your desktop. That's the only thing you need to choose. No other thing you need to choose. So, yeah. Prerequisite. What is a prerequisite? Hope everyone have got Python in your system, right? Prerequisite.
Yes, sir.
Installing Python. Install Python. Python also installation takes 1 minute. So here, what is the step one? I'm saying step one, first install Python software. First install Python software. You want to show me? I hope everyone has got Python installed in your systems, or do I need to show you again? Anyone? Do I install, or anyone you want me to show Python installation? Not required. Okay. First install Python software. Okay, you will be installing. See, you should also know where exactly this Python is installed in your system. Understand where exactly Python is installed. Okay, check where Python is installed. Where Python is installed in your system. Check where Python is installed in your system, and also check whether it is working fine. Whether it is working fine. Also check whether it is working fine, and also check whether it is recognized, whether it is recognized from everywhere, whether it is recognized from all drives. Just a second. To check whether Python is installed in your system. For that, and check whether it is working fine and not, and check whether it is recognized from all drives. So here what you can do is, where it is installed, check where Python is installed in your system. For that, say, go to the command prompt, and say where Python, go to command prompt and say where Python, where Python, right? Yes. So just in the bottom search panel, type CMD, say enter. Go to the command prompt by typing CMD and press enter, you will get this. Just say where Python, it will show where your Python is installed in your system. Understand everyone? Whenever you say where Python, it will say where Python is installed in your system. See, if you observe in my system, if you see, if you go to all apps, D, P, P 3.8, Python 3.9, Python 3.10, 3.11, 3.12, 3.13. 6 versions of Python are installed in my system, starting from 3.8 to 3.1. Hope you are installed 3.13, everyone. Hope you have installed, latest version 3.13. In my system, all these are available, right? So whenever I say where Python, it will display all that where, yeah, Python 3.13, 3.1 to 3.113. So multiple versions of Python are available in my system. For you, it will show you the first one, right? Understood. Just say where Python is available in the C drive. It is available in the C drive, one folder Python 3.13 in that python.txt, right? Yes, I'm just copying for your understanding, right? Hmm. Just I have given for your understanding. Just I'll forward this notes. So you can check with this where Python is recognized in Python 3.13, and also check whether it is working fine or not, whether it is recognized from all drives, and also to check the Python version. To check the Python version. To check the Python version, what you can do is, uh, hmm, anyone can you say Python
Python version.
Python hyphen
Hyphen. Yes.
version, say enter. It will display the Python version, right? So just I'm pasting it. If you get confused, just to see this where Python you can say Python hyphen version. Now also check whether it is working fine, and also check whether it is recognized from all drives. In such cases, So this is the command. This is the command. Just by understanding, right, where you are typing it, where you are typing. Whenever you get this prompt in the command prompt, I'm typing this just by understanding. And here, whether it is working fine or not means, see, just if you type Python, it automatically displays the Python version and Python interpreter. If you type Python, if you say enter, if it says Python is not recognized as internal or external command, then your Python is not recognized. If your Python is not recognized, then you will get issues, problems with the Django installation because it won't find that Python from your system. It cannot be able to find. Python should be able to be recognized from anywhere from your system. See, during the installation process of Python, at the starting of Python installation, you have checked one checkbox. Add Python to path. Add Python to path variable of OS. So this one, right? Yes. Control C. Understand. See these things, right? We need to understand before going with this. So it displays Python version and interpreter. Interpreter, right? Yes, understood everyone. So this is the first step, is first installation of Python software. Yes. Second step is, okay, where all your applications, if you want to store all your applications, right? Step 2 is all your applications, Django applications, you want to store in one folder. Which folder you want to choose? That folder. Create a folder, right? Create a folder. Yes. 1 second. Step 2, create a folder, right? And everyone, you will create a folder with any name you can create, but as you are creating Django applications, Django apps, I'll create a folder with the name Django apps, where you will create within C drive. Within C drive, you need to create and install Django. Create a folder Django apps within C drive and install Django within this folder. Also create a virtual environment. What do you mean by virtual environment? Another copy of Python. Another copy of Python. Also create virtual environment, another copy of Python within this folder. Also create virtual environment, installation of Django, Python. Means if I do any modifications, it should not affect your original Python software. So here that's why another copy of Python will be creating, and also Django installation. Don't install Django. Don't install Django in the original Python folder. Also create virtual environment, another copy of Python within this folder. See, don't install Django in the original Python folder. Don't install Django in the original Python folder. Also create virtual environment, another copy of Python within this folder. Don't install Django in the original Python folder. Create virtual environment, another copy of Python within this folder. Install Django. Within this folder, install Django. Okay. Within this folder, install Django. If we do any modifications, if we do any modifications in Django, it should not affect the original Python software. Understand carefully here. Why you may ask why you are creating virtual environment, another copy of Python means whenever you do any modifications in Django, it should not affect the original Python software. So we'll create a separate folder. In the separate folder, we'll create virtual environment, and within this folder, install Django. Virtual environment is created for Python. Virtual environment is created for Python. And in that, install Django. Means in your system, you have two Python softwares. Means in your system, you have two Python softwares. Virtual environment is created for Python. In that, install Django, we said. Means in your system, you have two Python softwares. First one, original Python. Always, you can say, means you have two Python softwares. One in original, one in virtual environment. One in virtual environment for Django, right? Yes. Okay, that is second step. What is the second step is, we just creating a folder, Django apps. Everyone go and create a Django apps folder in the C drive. See, just go to your C drive, everyone. Just go to your C drive. Within the C drive, right? Yes, within the C drive, create a folder with the name Django apps. New folder. What is the folder name? Django apps. Django apps you can create. Hmm. Okay, that is second step. Third step. Installing virtual environment module. Installing virtual environment module. You need to install virtual environment module. Installing virtual environment model for creating virtual environment. Okay. So first what you do, everyone, you have installed VS Code, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here, that Copilot, some prompt is coming. Shall I select that one or shall I next section?
Go to VS Code. Select the folder. Say open folder. Say open folder. What is the name of the folder you need to open? DJANGO apps. Select terminal. New terminal. Okay, now just open your VS Code, everyone. Just open your VS Code. Open your VS Code. Just say file and say open folder is there, right? Open folder. Just say open folder. File, open folder. Now go to the C drive. DJANGO apps is there, right? Yes. DJANGO apps. Select it. Can you see DJANGO apps now here, everyone? So just what we did, file, open folder, and select that folder. What is that? DJANGO apps. You will get this welcome message. Close this welcome message. Okay, fine. Everyone, just you should have got DJANGO apps here. Try to respond, everyone. Yes, have you got
Yes.
DJANGO
sir.
apps here? DJANGO
Yes,
apps.
sir. Yes, yes.
Okay, within this. Okay, now next step. And DJANGO apps. And here, can you see terminal you'll be seeing in this file edit selection menu? This terminal, are you able to see? Otherwise, here 3 lines you will be seeing, everyone. 3 lines.
You can see
go
the
to-
terminal.
Yes, we can see it.
Able to see the terminal? Otherwise, you can see at the top left some 3 lines you will see. In the 3 lines, if you click, you will see terminal.
Terminal, new
Okay, yes, sir.
terminal. Okay.
New terminal, check it, yes. New terminal, you will get like this. This
Mhm.
debug console, you minimize it. This ports, you minimize it. Only this terminal able to see everyone.
Yes.
I want responses from you, everyone.
Sir.
Yes.
Yes,
See,
sir.
by default, Django apps, because you have selected the folder Django apps, by default, you are in which folder now? Django apps.
Django
Django
apps.
apps.
Yes. Now, okay, what we are performing in this step? Install, okay, installing virtual environment module. Select, okay. Now, let us install virtual environment module. For that, everyone try to install now. Here, just to say pip install, you say, or pip install or pip3 install, pip or pip3 install, pip3 install virtual env. Understand here, pip3 install virtual env. A virtual env is a single word. It's the name of the module. The name of the module, right? Virtual environment module. Say enter. pip3 install virtual environment. For me, requirement already satisfied. For me, requirement already satisfied. For you, it is installing or not? Everyone try to respond.
It's collecting.
Collecting and it will
Yes,
install.
sir.
Collecting the information and installs that.
Collecting virtual.
It automatically downloads. It automatically installs. Finally, it will say it installed.
It is
Try,
installed, sir.
try
Some
to.
time.
It takes. It won't take much time. It will take 30 seconds, minimum 30 seconds time. It takes.
Installed, sir.
It will
Installed.
clearly, it will give a message, right? Installed. Okay,
Yes, sir.
everyone.
Okay, yeah, I agree. I
Successfully installed, it came.
got
Successfully installed, it will say.
agree
warning?
message.
Any warning message you will get, ignore it.
Okay, sir.
No warning.
Okay.
Successfully installed.
So whenever you say pip3 install virtual environment, understand why we are doing this
Yeah.
virtual environment, another copy of Python, right? Getting into this. So pip3 install virtual environment, successfully install, it will say.
Yes, sir.
It will give a message, successfully installed virtual
20.
env.
20.34.0.
Okay. What is that version?
20.34.0.
Okay, whatever version it is, it will install the latest version. It is going to install the latest version. Now, step 4, you see. Installing virtual environment module, that is. Now, step 4, creating virtual environment. Step 4, creating virtual environment. Creating virtual environment. So now we are going to create virtual environment. Anyone facing issue or problem, let me know, or just you can type in the chat if you got any problem in any step, right? Because these are installation step, one time installation only. Later you can work with it. And now just observe installing virtual environment. CLS to clear the screen. CLS to clear the screen. Clear the screen, everyone. Now already virtual environment module, virtual env. Virtual env. Type virtual env. And what is the virtual environment name you want? What is the virtual environment name you want? My VENV. What is this? My VENV. What is that? My virtual environment. What is that? My VENV. My virtual environment. And hit enter. Just say. It will say. It will just it will create virtual environment. Created virtual. You should get this message. Created virtual environment. It should say created virtual environment.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's
Yes, sir.
created.
It is created virtual environment.
Yeah.
Python 3.13.7.
All those not required. Just it will say okay. Just read this message. Create virtual environment. This one, right?
Yes, sir.
If,
Yes, sir.
if you say unable to create or it will give some error messages, means let me know.
Okay.
created, sir.
Okay. So if Python is correctly installed, if Python is recognized, you won't get any issue until otherwise you need to reinstall Python in your system. Now,
Okay, sir.
yeah, virtual environment, created virtual environment, I've said here. Now, whenever you create any virtual environment, previously, can you remember you created a folder in C drive? Everyone, you created a folder in C drive, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It was a empty
Yes.
folder.
Yes.
It
Yes,
was
sir.
an empty folder.
Yes,
Now
sir.
go and check. Now go and check this myvenv. This virtual environment should have been created. Now go and check in your C drive. Go to your C drive and just open this Django apps. Now can you see myvenv, my virtual environment got created? Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Everyone, the folder within that folder, yes. You can see that library means what is this my virtual environment? It's a Python, bringing Python, right? In the scripts folder, you can see this. All this Python related, right? Yes. Pip you can see, pip3 you can see, right? Everything Python.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes.
So only Python related, no Django related here. Only Python related you can see, no Django. Now, okay, in the Django apps, you can see my virtual environment got created in that. And also this my virtual environment, one folder is there. Now you will get different folders. For every project, one folder will be created in this. I'll create
Okay.
for every project, means for every application, one folder gets created. All my Django applications under one folder. In that folder only, my virtual environment also will be there. That's what we created just now. Now, next step. Whenever you create virtual environment, you need to activate virtual environment. Okay, again you say CLS to clear the screen, right? CLS. Now, let me write it here. The steps also I'll forward you. This is not clear steps. After creating, next step. Step 5. Activating virtual environment. Here in this step, people will be getting some errors. Activating virtual environment, step 5. Now check it, how to activate virtual environment. Where is your virtual environment located?
C
Where is
drive.
it? In C drive, in
C
Django
drive.
apps.
Django.
Understand carefully here, in C drive, in Django apps folder, in my virtual environment folder, within that scripts folder, within the scripts folder. Okay. One second. Can you see this activate symbol? Activate.
Yes.
Able to see activate here. With that, we are going to activate it. Now, activate is available in the scripts folder. So this is your path. We need to enter in C, Django apps, my virtual environment scripts. We need to enter into this scripts folder for activating. So everyone, what you do? Currently, I'm in Django apps folder. So change your directory to CD means change your directory to my virtual environment. Within that scripts folder, right? Say enter. Now currently you got the path now. You got the path, Django apps,
Yes, sir.
my
Yes,
virtual
sir.
environment, scripts. Now here activate is available. So /activate. It is just if I say enter, within this bracket, my virtual environment name you need to get. This means it is activated. But some of you will be getting in red color. The script is disabled like that. Anyone got the such options?
Yes, sir.
Yes, someone should be getting in red color. Script
Yeah,
is
I got
red.
it, sir.
Any others? Everyone try to respond whether it got activated, whether you got my virtual environment in the bracket or not.
I got the same message.
Everyone got red color message saying that the script got disabled.
I got the
Yeah, I
same.
got, I got like that. Running scripts is disabled on the system.
Running script is disabled in the systems, right? So 1 second. So here I'm copying this. Okay. Now, people who got error, right?
Yes, sir.
Any one of you try to share the screen? Any one of you try to share the screen? Is anyone sharing the screen? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, okay. CLS, clear the screen. CLS, type CLS and clear the screen.
Okay, sir.
Exactly. PowerShell is there. Don't click it. Can you see the PowerShell exactly one line above?
Yes, sir.
PowerShell.
Yes, sir.
Don't
Yes.
click. Don't click. Beside
Okay,
that
sir.
plus option is there.
Yes, sir.
Don't click that also. The drop down you click it. Beside that drop down is that you click it.
Yeah. Okay,
And
drop down.
people who got error, right? Go to command prompt. Command prompt.
Command prompt.
Select
Okay.
command prompt.
Yes, sir.
Select command prompt. Okay. Now within the command prompt, now you type it.
CD.
CD myvenv, my virtual environment, myvenv, myvenv. What is the name you have given? Myvenv.
Yes, sir.
You have given this name.
Yeah, this one. My view.
My view.
Okay.
Slash scripts. So whatever name you have given,
Uh,
that name slash scripts.
Okay, sir.
Enter.
Yes.
So whatever name, everyone, you got the path, right? My VNV or whatever you have given that name. Now
Yeah.
you say dot backslash activate.
Dot backslash.
Activate. Now it won't give you the error. Enter. Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now it is activated. Okay. Everyone got it now?
Yeah, it's activated.
No error, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
No error now. So just select that command prompt. Do the same thing whenever you enter into this command prompt. Later I'll show you the another way where we can solve that issue, not getting that script is disabled. Clearly, okay, it is also mentioned that the script is disabled. Try to do these things so that it won't write it. Can that do
Yes.
that process? Otherwise, instead of all that, select command prompt. Okay. Now, everyone got this steps, right? Next step is
Yes.
installation of DJANGO. Everyone. Next step is installation of DJANGO. To stop sharing.
Yeah, I stopped, sir.
Now, next step is installation of DJANGO. So here itself, pip3 install DJANGO. pip3 install DJANGO, or pip you can say, or pip3 install DJANGO. Automatically it will download, it will install DJANGO into your, it hardly takes 10 to 20 seconds. Check, enter. For me, it's already available, I hope, right? For me, it's already available. For you, it will download it, it will install it. It's collecting DJANGO, it will say it's downloading, right? Downloading, installing collected packages, downloading and installing. Along with this, along with DJANGO, many other things will be installed. Which version of DJANGO is getting installed? Can you clearly see which version of DJANGO got downloaded and which version it is installing? Remember the version. Generally, after doing the interviews, people do the same mistake. They will do everything. Do you attend each and every class? They will do all that applications. When they interview, they ask which version of Django did you work with?
326.
5.2.6, sir.
Django 5.2, you can say.
2. Yeah, 5.2.
Django 5.2.
Yes, sir.
5.2. Yesterday I was saying, right? In which year Django 5 version was released? In 2023.
23. Okay.
23 it was. And 4 version in 2021. Up to 2017, that was one version only it was there. Up to 2017, it was one version. But immediately for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 version now it's running, right? Successfully installed Django
Yes, sir.
5.2, right?
5.2.6.
Yeah, 5.2. Yeah.
Everyone got that message? Everyone try to respond. If anyone facing
Yes.
issue,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
share the screen. You can share
Yes.
the screen, right? Yeah. Okay, fine. Now I'll just this is one-time installation only. No, every time no need to install it.
Okay,
Every
sir.
step 6. Installing Django, right? Yes. Pip3 install Django. Successfully installed Django. Successfully installed Django, right? Yes. What is the version? 5.2.
2. Okay.
Successfully installed Django 5.2. Okay, this is what the steps involved. What we did, we created a folder, Django apps folder in the C drive. We created virtual environment. We created an activated virtual environment, and we have installed Django. So everything, installation of Django, everything is ready now. And next we need to perform what? These things, steps. Creating and activating is completed. Creating and activating is completed.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
creating a project using this command, creating an application using this command, and these steps you need to follow all these steps. All these steps we need to perform step by step. So first for a couple of first 1 or 2 examples, it will be something new to you, but from the third, fourth example onwards, so already the same steps, everything. Okay. Understood, right? Just getting the
Yes, sir.
environment ready. Today, just I want to show you only that environment ready. Again, I doesn't want to
Okay, sir.
confuse with the applications creations immediately. So if anyone
Okay,
not
sir.
done with the installation, if anyone not done with the installations, those things, just try to complete. If anyone getting any errors, first try to set your Pythons. Python should be recognized. Python should be be available in your system. Then only this. And try to install VS Code. Within that VS Code is virtual environment. Okay. So if anyone who are attending newly to this Django, if you are not enrolled for Django, try to get enrolled for that Django, right? Can see in the chart. Yes. If anyone who are new and who have not enrolled for Django, just try to enroll by paying the fees. You can see that details about the payment things. Okay. Okay, fine. So in this way, step by step, everyone try to do parallelly along with me the next applications. The first application, okay, but second application, third application, already you know the steps, right? So I'll just first 2 applications, but everyone do it parallelly along with me. You will get the output. Everyone will be getting output along with me. So you will see what is happening, how the request is made, how you are getting response, what happening internally, who is processing the request, where we are writing the Python code, where we write the HTML code, where we save this Python file. All this you will be coming to know is applications creations, right? So next Saturday we'll discuss some 2 applications. Sunday also we'll go with the 2. We will try to understand. First we will go with normal application. Later we enter into this technicals. Right?
So this class recording.
Yes. See, 1 second. This notes now itself I'll forward you.
Okay, sir.
Recording will get, right, sir?
Yeah, recording you'll be getting it. 1 second. If you have got enrolled, right? If you have got enrolled
Yeah,
for this
already enrolled.
Python full stack, if you have
Yeah.
already enrolled, and if you'll be getting a access link today by afternoon, you'll be getting it, right?
Okay.
The video recording, a separate Google Drive link you will be getting. Just like Python, if you are done with Python, right? And Python, how you got
Yes.
a link, a separate link for Django also you'll be getting. You can check in it.
Okay, sir.
And fine. Second. Just a second, I'll forward these notes of today's.
Okay, sir.
Hold on for a second. Wait.
Hello,
Just a second. Yeah, tell me. Yes.
sir, can you please send the notes on 9 a.m. batch also? Django 9 a.m. batch is there?
Yes,
No?
yeah. I'll forward that notes, previous notes, whatever. Yes, I'll forward it.
Okay, okay.
Fine. 1 second. Now, just a second. Now, in the Zoom chat, the notes I'm forwarding, you can check it here itself. Your computer. Just a second. Can you see a file like in .py format you got? In that you can see that notes, the Django installation and the environment setup. Yes. Everyone able to see that file now?
Yes.
In chat, right, sir?
In Zoom chart, you can see, download it. Today, step by step, what we discussed, I kept it. Just download option will be there.
Sir,
Download option.
yesterday notes also you can forward, please.
Yeah, yesterday notes also I'll forward you, the introduction notes.
Yeah.
1 second. That notes I'll forward. This is first people who have not done first immediately you can just check these notes and you can do this installation.
Oh,
Okay. Everyone downloaded it.
Yes, sir.
1 second.
Okay. Just if you just move your mouse on that file, you can see that download option. Download it. See, from next week we'll start. There is nothing theoretical, everything practical. Try to do it parallelly. Try to attend regularly. Try to interact in the sessions. Fine. Okay. So I'm stopping for now. Next week we'll go with application creation style using Django. Fine. Yeah. I'm stopping here.